what the other vehicle can do. We think that when we combine them, as we have in the Envy, we can get the best of both worlds. We can have a more compact, more cost-effective system, which still provides more robust solution than either one or the other by themselves. So on the Envy, the vehicles have a couple of antennas on the roof. They have a GPS antenna which tells the vehicle where it is, and it has a wireless antenna that communicates with other vehicles. So it can communicate its position, its speed, its acceleration, its direction of movement with other vehicles, and that's how it can avoid collisions between them. It also has sensing technology on the front of the vehicle, so it can sense pedestrians that may not have the ability to communicate with the vehicle. And it has a smartphone. We'll demonstrate a smartphone that can call the vehicle and can let the vehicle go and park itself. The final piece is a vehicle tailored to specific use. We can do autonomous vehicles and we can do electric vehicles. In fact, we are doing electric vehicles. But unless we design a vehicle tailored to the urban market, it will still be a large vehicle that's difficult to park and could be expensive because it needs a large battery to propel it. If you look at the Envy, it's a lot smaller than a regular car. A regular car might be 5 meters long, and even a car as small as a smart car, which looks really small in America when it's parked next to a Suburban, for example. Even a smart car is about 3 meters long. Our vehicle, on the other hand, is about 1.5 meters, or 5 feet long. It's about 5 feet wide. It's about as wide as a smart car because it has to sit 2 people side by side. So there's not much you can do about the width. But the length is about 1.5 meters, and the height is about 1.5 meters. We can park about 6 of these vehicles in a traditional parking space. So, as a rough comparison, we're about 3 times lighter than a traditional car. We take about three times less space than a car. It goes only about 50 kilometers an hour, roughly, and has about a range of about 50 kilometers. But this is the type of range and speed that's only needed in